this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.